Twasa Graduation is a show. First of all, we document Imgit, right? But that being a graduation ceremony, either Itwasa going back home or Itwasa Itla Intwaso, because that is the actual graduation when Uses Pehlweni. The show is about the human element of the journey. So many times you see Izangoma, Isangoma, and we forget that behind that person, there is somebody, there's a mother, there's a father, there's a sister, there's somebody who has to twasa go to work, there's somebody who went to go twasa, got left by the husband, there's somebody who had to go twasa, lost everything they had. We want to know the stories of the human, of the person, of the families, how they felt, how the families felt. And also, we look at the healthy relationship between Twasa and Kobela. I'm very afraid of low vibrational people that operate from ego and insecurity, because that's when you judge other people, that's when you fight with other people, that is when you want things that belong to others, because you cannot pray and wait for what's meant for you. Because why? You are not operating at your highest purpose. When you start to operate at your highest purpose, your things will come to you. I don't need to have Patanani's destiny. I'm not going to become a destiny stealer, because that is low vibrational. I'm trying to take from you to bring into my life. Should now house tame. How happy the God that lives within you. How happy those that came before you. I think a lot of people place a lot of importance and dependence on people that have gone through initiations to be healers, forgetting that everybody on this earth was brought here. Everybody has a purpose. The camera guy, the sound guy have a purpose. You have a purpose, Patanani, even though you may not be a healer. We are all here to achieve a certain goal. We are all here to heal a certain part of ourselves or our lineage. Can we please, please, please tap into who we are?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Charmy, my friend.
Hello.
Happy New Year. Are we saying Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
But now it's Valentine. Now we're
You
saying
and
Happy
a happy Valentine.
No, now it's Valentine.
Absolutely.
But now we say Happy New Year until. Makutangaze ngikubone nje unyawuqalile. Definitely.
March. Happy New Year.
Why not June?
Oh, I have a fit.
But anyway, how are you, darling?
I'm great. I can't complain. It's such an honor to be here.
The last time I saw you was last year.
Yeah.
Of course, this is my friend. I know someday will ask me, but I will ask her a question. Don't worry. You know what, Ne? Please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where are you from? Those who don't know you, imagine and thought Iakula every day.
Thokozani dumelang khanya lesedi nna ka sedimo ke nna Sefako Gogo Storm, but I'm also popularly known as Mrs. Wick on TikTok. Yeah, and I'm here as a samong, as my son would say.
Anyway, Mrs. Wick, where is it coming from?
Mrs. Wick. It came from TikTok, actually, because I came in on TikTok with my regular everyday name, but people would come at me, and when you fire at me, trust me, I'm not going to hold back. I come guns blazing.
Okay.
And when I fire at you, I make sure that I completely obliterate you. I don't give you a chance to breathe afterwards. Then that's when people started calling me Mrs. Wick.
Okay, Mrs. Wick.
Yeah.
Okay, Mrs. Wick. Anyway, this cousin Ngubani Ubuyapi, yes, we know her as Mrs. Wick. And she is telling the truth. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me here. And I am honored to have you here. And thank you so much. Every time when I'm asking you to be part of the show, you are always available. And I don't take that for granted.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Am I pregnant?
On your new show.
Oh. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Patanani.
And I'm excited.
Yeah.
Anyway, Mrs. Wick is the host of a new show that you find kwa Moja Love 157 Twasa Graduations.
Yeah.
That's what we'll be talking about today. Remember, mina ngumatches and thoughts. So I ask, mangibona nje intela mngoma, phela ngugobela omkhulu nje uyazi. So I will be asking you a few questions about your show.
Absolutely.
And some of the viewers, they really want to know, Oguti, what is the show all about?
Okay. Do you want me to answer that?
Yes, I'm asking you now. We're starting now. We are working now.
Twasa Graduation is a show first of all, we document imgidi, right? But that being a graduation ceremony, either itwasa going back home or itwasa itla intwaso, because that is the actual graduation when uses petweni. The show is about the human element of the journey. So many times you see izangoma, isangoma, and we forget that behind that person, there is somebody, there's a mother, there's a father, there's a sister, there's somebody who has to twasa go to work, there's somebody who went to go twasa, got left by the husband, there's somebody who had to go twasa, lost everything they had. We want to know the stories of the human, of the person, of the families, how they felt, how the families felt. And also we look at the healthy relationship between Twasa and Kobela, because I know there are other shows that show the other aspect of it, and we were like, we want to show the healthy aspect of Ubutwasa.
Okay.
And its graduation, of course.
It's graduation. I always hear izangoma, inyanga, abathandazi, abaprofeti. I've interviewed all of them, you know,
Yeah.
and more are coming. Ngihlala ngizwa ngemfihlo. So, looking at the show, are we not trying to expose imfihlo indirect?
You know, ne, and I think when we looked at the show, when we looked at the concept of the show, it was never about exposing imfihlo eyobungoma. It was never about that. If you look at a thing like Intwaso Patanani, Harubanidi, Intwaso people take it on their phones. Intwaso happens libalele, inkingana, zbegile. Intwaso, what we show on the show is what the whole street will see on the show. When you go there and you puza palaza, when you go there and do all those things are shown. They don't happen at 3 a.m. in the morning. They happen libalele. People have Intwaso on their phones. There's Intwaso on YouTube as we speak.
So maniphuza bepalaza, of course now because umngoma. People bayabona. Akufihlwa.
When you toss, no,
I don't know, educate me.
Pathanani.
Yeah.
On the day when you eat Intwaso. That's why I see ngalphuza ngalphalaza libalele. Letsatsi le ntshebile, batho ko strateng ba ntshebile, di family di ntshebile, baloi ba ntshebile, le ba ba sa thwasang ba tlo e bona ntho e ke e etsang, because there never wants to come a day when now I need to go back home and there's no reference to what I actually did. Limponi ke tshwere so, limponi ha ne ke enwa, limponi ke jampande ya teng, limponi.
So basically, akunamfihlo. So we should stop saying imfihlo.
Imfihlo is khona Pathanani, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
There are certain things and certain rituals that actually happen before that day of libalele. Those things we don't talk about on TV. Those things even Tina, right? We don't expose because we are there to see umgidi. We are there to see wena ukula. Right? We are there to see wena bahorwesa bongaka ba ga ubukhosi bakho. That's what we're there for, to celebrate with you. Imfihlo eyokuthi hey mpande ari tsebe lo re mpande e we janki eng ha re tsebe lo re there's no mfihlo there.
A lot has been said about these reality shows, especially Les Ezinobungoma Phakathi.
Yeah.
So I just want to hear your thoughts. Don't you think some of them they're lowering isithunzi sobungoma?
You know, Pathanani, a lot has been said, and a lot is still going to be said. A lot has been said, a lot is still going to be said. And let me tell you, this will not start and end with my show, Twasa Graduation. There will even be shows on YouTube. There are shows on YouTube that already show it. Ukuthi iyehlisa isithunzi sobungoma. I would want us to understand ganjani, and why would isithunzi sobungoma be blamed on these kind of shows when already abangoma themselves dala basiehlisa isithunzi sobungoma.
Maybe I should start here, just asking whoever that is watching, and of course you. Isithunzi sobungoma yini?
Watsiba arka sheba isithunzi sobungoma and look at it within the relations of umthetho weshoba. Umngoma thanse, it must be respected. Right? It must be respected. It's a very, Tshwantse ube, how can I say it? Uhloniphise, uziphathe, uhloniphe nawe uhlonipha abanye. Tell me something. Abangoma bona bayahlonipha.
I don't know. I am not a Mgoma.
Mina, I'm gonna ask a very, very broad question. Lere rehlisa mthunzi wabongoma. Wena as sangoma, waitlhompha wena na? Utlhompha mathwasana a hao wena na? There are a lot of sangomas who are going up and down on cases because why? Abahloniphi amathwasa wabo. Nabo nje, if uli sangoma sesi serious, and waitlhompha, utlhompha le mmereko wa hao, utlolatela umthetho weshaba to the T, not when it suits you. The thing is, abangoma want to follow umthetho weshaba when it suits them. So when it suits you, mfihlo, mthetho weshaba, mara when it doesn't suit you, then you stand aside. Aikona hali. You better follow it through until the T. Usikampulela ka di half-half. Mthetho weshaba, kamo unali makesi amathwasa wile ko THO. Don't you dare.
Do we have THO? I don't even know what it is. And it's the second time asking this. And I'm asking you because you are on TV, you're doing a show on TV. I did ask another gentleman back then. Do we have THO? And why I'm asking that? Because I think some of the things, this is Bona and Zagala,
Yeah.
but there is THO.
Ngicela lo mbuzo lo ngiwuphuzele kancane.
Phuza mngani
Yeah,
wami.
ngoba
Anyway, this is Mrs. Week Umpho Wakasifako, right? Who is a presenter on the new show. If you want to please do go and check it. It's on Moja Love 157 Twasa graduation. A lot is happening there. But anyway, yes, supposedly.
I'm gonna tell you about THO. So right when the first promo for the show landed, there was a gentleman from the THO who was trying to ask me, can we please have a meeting with you? Can we please have your number? We need to discuss your show. And I'm thinking, okay, THO, why do you want to have this discussion with me, right? Number one, I knew the background of the show. It is before the show, even the first episode landed. It was just a promo. They were up in arms about it. I know what the show is. Even when the second episode played and the third episode played, but hey, talk, Zani Gogo, please don't forget, we would like to speak to you. And you know how I answered them? Ngati, number one, I am just Isangoma that is presenting a show. I'm just the host, right? Ne? Should you want to discuss anything regarding the show, please address it with the production. We have a thing, if you have a problem, you go to production, right? I didn't make this, I'm a presenter, right? And by the way, I love my show. I love my show. Number two, Kari, when I needed help with the Gobelas that ran circles around me, you guys were not there. Today you want me to come and
But don't you
sit
think,
and have a meeting with you?
Don't you think, because I don't know THO, and I did ask last time, I would love to interview people from THO. I don't know, maybe whenever they're ready, they will tell me, but I did. Because I know they'll be watching the episode. I did. Still, I'm still giving them an opportunity because I've got a lot of questions I would love to ask them.
And you should. And that's where, again, Patanani, this thing comes to me as things are wrong only when it suits you. But when wrong things are being done to Amatwasa, you guys don't come through. But when you see a TV show, then you want to kick and scream and shout. What is that?
But don't you think, my friend, maybe baninge ukuthi uyisangoma nawe?
Yeah, futhi, it shouldn't be a nginga. And if it is a nginga, they're going to have a nginga for a very long time because I'm going to be a sangoma until I die. And even after I die, so I'll still be living as a sangoma.
That's a Mrs.
So
Ray.
bazoba nenkinga nje for sibaka
Anyway,
sesitelele.
Uchazile ke uMrs. Week ukuthi unfortunately usazoba isangoma isikhathi eside noma kuthiwa futhi uyafa uzobuya abe yidlozi.
I'm coming back.
Okay, Mrs. Week, you are out there, social media, you know, just nama social media platforms amaningi azovela kuthatha kubeke le. Have you crossed the line and started to prostitute ubungoma for fame, following trendings and likes? What's your thoughts on that question?
Oh, prostitute ubungoma. How? Selling ubungoma. How am I selling ubungoma? Mina, that person who asked that question, I'd like them to first define for me what is prostitute.
It's me who's asking.
Is it you? Okay, define what is prostitute.
I'm asking you, have we crossed the line and started to prostitute ubungoma for fame, following, likes, and trending. Remember, I said to you, we've got social media platforms now. There are many. So my question is based on that because
Okay.
honestly, sigcwele kuma social media and
Sigcwele,
senza
vele.
nezinto ubona ukuthi cha lena phela. Hence, before I ask you ngesithunzi.
You know what, ne? I think with other people, I can't speak for other people. I will only speak for myself
That's good.
and for the work that I'm doing.
That's good.
Have we prostituted it? Not in any way. Have we compromised it? Not in any way. What we have shown actually is the conducive side of Ubungoma. What we have shown actually is that Ubungoma, you don't have to go and suffer. And Ubungoma, it's not a prison where you'll stay there for 20 years while your Mkotoso is being postponed every week. No, we are showing the healthy side of Ubungoma. We are showing healthy relationships
I don't
between...
think it's only the healthy side of Ubungoma that we are seeing on the social media
Yeah,
platform.
you see now. And that's why I can only speak for myself because there are patterns that I can look at and say, that's something I wouldn't do, but that's something I wouldn't do, Patanani. And for me to go judge that person, I don't know what made them do that. I don't know why Bahlahloba online. I don't know why they give out their recipes for the Karatabona online. I don't know why they do that because Mina, I would never go do consultations on a live for nothing. Ngoba uyalikhuthaza idlozi Phathanani. I can't go be doing consultations for nothing. Ukhathaza idlozi lakho. I can't go be putting my ingredients for all of my products online. That is my gift. It's what idlozi lami has given me. Now, that would be well, if I was doing it, I would look at it like, yeah, now you are just selling out your own people because of what they've given you, and you are giving it out there willy-nilly. But as to why they do it and how they have justified it within themselves, you know what? Each to their own, and God for us all.
True. Yeah, that's true, my friend. And remember, my first question, basically, is tunes. Then now here.
Yeah, and I understand
and you did answer me very well.
Because it almost, some things that are done almost makes it look like this thing ilula, and it cheapens the whole thing. And it's very sacred. It's very sacred and it's very respected. It's supposed to be respected, right? It's supposed to be respected. But I think over time, it's lost its essence, Phathanani. And I don't know who we can look at to blame. I don't know who we can go to and say, oh, but it's this show, oh, but it's that. Because we look at gorillas that aren't doing their jobs. Gorillas that are not doing their jobs. Libona, bayehlisa sithunzi sa Bungoma. Because now people look at us like we are all crooks. As if sonke siyama scam.
And I will look at you
Yes.
that as well. And why I'm saying that now, you did explain anyway ukuthi niyaliphuza niphalaze phambi kwabantu. I think kumele ngiyemgidini ngiyobona kwenziwa lezi zinto lezi. But anyway, so I will have questions as well. Ukuthi now uqeda ukukhuluma ukuthi ukuhlonipha nemfihlo secret and what. Then now we've got a show. Because on that show, you see even people crying. There is another one who but
Yeah.
we're not there. So then I ask myself, now, but I'm sure you'll be able to answer me. Is there any responsible way where we can do this? You spoke about Guti, you are showing healthy things and what. So I'm just asking now, we're not only focusing on your show now, we're focusing on Ubungoma and everything that we are seeing there. Because not everything we see there is ugly. No. I'm not saying that. But now I'm just talking because umuntu now, as much as on the show, as much as
Yes.
you also see things when
Yeah.
I don't think I'm happy. So I'm just asking to hear from you. Don't you think we have or might find a responsible way of showing this or of educating or enlightening people? I just want to hear you.
You know, and I say, I can only speak for my show, right? Because that's the one content that I give out. Is that whenever we go to Imikiti, we are invited, number one, right? We are invited. So a Twasa or Gobela will ask us to come, right? And we always try to do what we can only see as far as what they allow us to see.
So you don't just do,
No,
you wait for
no.
instructions from
Yes.
them.
Because
fair enough, yeah.
because responsibility lies on all of us. But wena ilisgodlo sa hao, ilima twasana ahao, we respect you. We respect you, and it's totally up to you to only show us Habagita or what, but we don't go any further than what. And I think that's what people don't understand. People just think that we go there and we just ambush Imikiti. Number one, we get invited.
Wow. My Manchester and Thoughts family, I hope niyamuzwa uma ikhuluma Mrs. Wiki and ngicela ukufunda something lento ishoyo, because remember mina as a viewer and ngihlezi kwami or ngihlezi efonini yami ngibhekile ishow and ngibona into enjena I'm like, how manje Mrs. Wiki and nganami baqala ngokujaja wena kuqala.
Of course, because I'm the face.
Siqala ngokujaja wena
Of
kuqala
course.
mngani. And you know why? Because ungumngoma and ngiyacanga ukuthi wena okumele wenze show ukuthi ezinye izinto so
Mamela,
siqala ngokujaja wena kuqala
Khathalani,
my friend, yeah.
If mina I get to the thingy and it's the day. If uthi whoa Sefako ngisafuna ukhipha amatokoloshi wami ngespeed ngizokuyeka uwakhiphe, I'm not going to shoot you ukhipha wonke amatokoloshi wakho and then thina singene.
Yeah.
I'll never try and ambush you with your things. Right? The same as I know people will go on about, hey, abantu showing indumba zabo. No, people prepare their indumbas before we come.
Wow.
So people know what to remove, what to
keep.
Because naturally we are aware, Uguti, some things cannot be shown. But now it's up to you as Ukobela in charge to say, hi guys, ngenani. No, Sefako, we good, we can roll. You know, because Nami, Patanani, as the face of the show, right? I also want to build relationships with these people. And by the way, thank you to every Gobela who has let us into the Ndumbas. Siyabonga. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. And it's done in a very, like when we get to each show, we almost become like this. I never, it ends up not even feeling like I'm shooting. Because I see them, I see Ubaba, I see Ubaba Mkulu, I see Nami. When I get there, I'm like a child. I humble myself. Ndiyaguqa. Haki fitla lena, I go and I greet the elders. Haki fitla lena, I go and I greet the twasas. And I humble myself. People just think that we go there and we just a guerrilla movement. I khona hali. And ibile, personally, if it was that, because of my own standing within myself, I wouldn't be able to do it if it was done in a disrespectful manner. But it's done with the utmost of respect and love. And love, because I am happy for every single twasa that I see as Okishwa. I am happy to see every single twasa finding imfihlo zabo. I am happy when I see them winning at this thing. I am happy when I see the good relationship, because I never had that good thing with my Gobelas.
With your own Gobelas.
So I am happy when I see it.
Gobelas, how many do you have?
Too many to speak about. Kunigi.
No, I don't know. Just tell me how many. No, I want to hear now. This is a new episode.
Okay, cool. So,
are they over?
No.
Okay.
I did the Xhosa. I trusted Xhosa first. And then ngaya Zola, that's where I stayed for like almost a year.
Zola,
it was Umgunumdao.
So you went to Xhosa, wenza?
Umgunumdao,
yeah.
That's where I stayed.
Yeah.
And remember, the issue here was that they didn't want to bank keep. It was that thing of pushing my graduation to next week. And I was like, we're not doing this. I'm not doing this. And then I got to my third Gobela.
So you trailed?
Yeah. Yeah. Lo unkipile. So it was in the same Mpande. It's almost like uyakukula, but you're in the same Mpande. It's just a Gobela that's going to take you out and take you home. Because Lo wanted to just keep me. And I was like, mama.
And remember, this is your first one-on-one with me.
Yeah.
So I will ask, honey.
Okay.
Yeah, before. So tell me, why I was asking that question, Mrs. Wick? I was asking because real Sangoma, I will say real Sangoma, because there are Sangomas and Sangomas and Sangomas and Sangomas and Sangomas. So they have this thing, could see, you need to have certain standard, how you hold yourself, how you do things. And fun, I'm not going to run away from that. kunezangoma esihlale sinazo lapha ku-social media, kunezangoma esingakaze sazibona ku-social media.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I was asking that question.
No, friend. And like I always say, each to their own, and we all practice and behave differently. And also, don't forget, I can be a sangoma ne patanan. Minang twasile, yes, I'm a sangoma, but I'm more than anything a spiritualist. You know, I believe in spirituality. I believe in metaphysics. I read a lot, you know, and I could even say, if we had to speak about religion and whatnot, I'm an omnist. I find the good in Buddhism. I find the good in Christianity. I find the good in everything, and what makes sense to me, I bring it together in order for me to serve my higher purpose. Because no matter where you go, no matter what you do, oba mungoma, you become a priest or whatnot, you need to serve your higher purpose and become the highest version of yourself in order to serve people on this earth. We forget that as people. You need to reach your higher purpose, especially if you are a healer. And you can't, I am one who will never stay stuck in my ways. Hey, I'm not going to go and read the Quran. Hey, I'm not going to read on Buddhism. I want to know. I want to have a world of knowledge. So when it comes together and I'm like, Umpo, who are you? What were you brought here for? And one day when I die, I want my son to know, Guti, my mom lived a full life and she served people in her highest self. She healed first and she had to heal other people. When I'll still say, I'm still healing, because I believe that an unhealed healer cannot heal. What are you healing from? You are healing from a place of ego, which is rife. A place of ego, a place of insecurity, a place of lack. When you are within your highest vibration and your highest purpose, you heal selflessly. You heal without any boundaries and borders. Patanani.
What is a vibration?
Vibration is an energy within yourself, within your soul and your spirit. Everything vibrates. These molecules are vibrating very closely together. That's why it's one thing. Your vibration is your soul, is your spirit, is how you are. It also forms part of your aura. Hence, abantu abanye Patanani, ummone umuntu okhorya lo unesithunzi lo. It's their vibration. Lo unesithunzi. Ukuthi hayi lo singamshaya ngivimbela eblack awele la phansi, because they're vibrating low.
I always hear that say there is a high vibration, low vibration.
Yes. High vibration means positivity, good energy, gratitude. High vibration starts from a place of gratitude, of saying, God, my ancestors, I thank you for everything. You are vibrating high. You are vibrating, even if you don't have much, but you are meeting those things that you want. They are going to meet you. That's a high vibration. Low vibration, depression, sadness, lack, not being grateful, always blaming, and operating from ego. Ego is very low vibrational.
Wow.
Ego, high. And if we are healers, a lot of healers, a lot of sangomas are very egotistical. Yes, I said it, very egotistical.
Low vibration.
Low vibration.
Okay, my friend. Proceed. I'm listening.
I'm
all yours.
I'm very afraid of low vibrational people that operate from ego and insecurity, because that's when you judge other people. That's when you fight with other people. That is when you want things that belong to others, because you cannot pray and wait for what's meant for you. Because why? You are not operating at your highest purpose. When you start to operate at your highest purpose, your things will come to you. I don't need to have Patanani's destiny. I'm not going to become a destiny stealer, because that is low vibrational. I'm trying to take from you to bring into my life. Should now how happy the God that lives within you. How happy those that came before you.
So, will you agree with me when I say the Zangomas and the Nyangas that abatwele is because of low vibration? After hearing you.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Because which base are you coming from? You're coming from a very low base for you to be as desperate as to go your trial. Shuti, you want to bring assistance. They want assistance. Did God ever say, go and assist me with Israel? Did Idlozilakho ever say, please, because after when you
Low vibration.
Low vibration. Because you are operating with entities that are dirty, with demonic entities. Same as Uktwala is even in the Illuminati. Now what? nabo laba abamhlophe bayathwala in their own ways.
Yeah.
Isithwalo kudala sikhona phathanani asicela manje futhi angeke siphele nokuphela. Lo uDidi uthwele nje naye kodwa manje zimbambile uthwele uDidi.
I'm lost down. I'm like, okay.
Bathwele low vibrational entities.
Wow.
Low vibrations.
My Munchies and Thoughts family, I hope you are still enjoying me and, of course, Mrs. Week. Low vibration, darlings, and high vibration. Anyway, my darling, please tell me, you are young, you are beautiful, you are vibrant and everything, and you are doing a show that is causing havoc. It was a graduation. Even for myself, being like a yidem ganamang from Kamamang, Kisman siblings Zakalani Lana, in Kuku, in Bozi, Guningi. I don't know. I'm like, okay, what's it? But now I just want to understand. But anyway, your show is beautiful and I'm proud of you. I did say earlier on. Now I want to know, my friend, how do you deal with the backlash? Because I believe you did get a lot of them.
I did.
Yeah, how do you deal with that? I know you are a fighter, but I know Guti, there are things that also take a toll on you.
How do I deal with it? Your bad energy belongs to you, doesn't belong to me. Anyeke nje. Mina ungaqula phezu kweroof lithi, I will not pay attention to you. Anyeke mina, I will not even entertain you. Because you want to come into I choose what comes into my energy field. I will never let what somebody else says on TikTok, on the street, come into my life and affect me. I will never open the door for you. Anyeke. Uzoqula uyibani uzokhathala. Kunini bathi, hey, petition. It will be petition. I'm shooting the finale, season finale. It will be a petition. Kunini be a petition. So do you think that I would have sat there, right? And I would have gone to all those shoots, but thinking about, yo, batini, yo, abangfuni, yo, abayfuni. I don't care a damn. You are the one who's giving yourself BP ngami. Mina position pain. Mina, I'm chilled, I'm relaxed. Hey, I'm gonna go do my nails and my hair while you complain about Twasa grad. And then what? People are watching. People are getting educated. Why are you fighting? Does it have anything to do with you? Mina Patanani, I'm one person. If there's any content I don't like, ngiyayidlula. Angikomenti, anginaskati. Anything that is not aligned with me, ngiyayidlula angiyihluphi. Abantu like to stay awake because barata ditaba tsa batho ba bangwe. And let me tell you, most of them, had they gotten the same chance that I got, they would have taken it. They mustn't come and say, please, you would have done it. And it's because it's not you, then now there's something wrong. Like, you understand? People are hypocrites, especially Amasangoma, and I'm going to keep saying it. You guys are hypocrites. If you guys really wanted to follow Umthetho Weshaba to the T, you wouldn't even be on TikTok speaking about shows. You would be a Scotland, you'd be in that Dumba doing your work. You'd be in that Dumba doing your work.
You know, a friend of mine at work, he said, the Scotlands, like, you know, uthi hayi ngeke phela uze kuthi umfundisi udutshuliwe or ushawe ngebhodlela etavern bekafunani etavern.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, then he's like, ufunani etavern umfundisi ngoba phela kumele uhlale ufunda iBhayibheli. Now going back what you saying.
Yeah. If, like, the thing is, ne, motho o na le nako ya go ile etsa di-post ka show. Motho o na le nako ya go ile commenta ka show. O na le nako ya go kaya methi ya gago. O na le nako ya go checka mathwasa a gago. O na le nako ya go connecta le badimo ba gago. O tlogele dilo tsa ko strateng. Akere wena o belong on the streets. So what are you doing commenting on my show? No, I don't comment on things that have nothing to do with me. For me, you'll never find me commenting on anything. Each to their own and God for us all. So, hence,
So, someone that is watching your show, what is it that you can say to them?
You know,
and I'm asking this question after because it's Bonile man. I'm a comment, I'm a comment. So after Bebonile, I'm a comment now. When now you are here, you are talking to me. I'm asking even for members of the public because I'm a public member. So what is that you can say to us, even to me?
You know, viewers and Patanani, what I can say first and foremost is that we are really trying to show the human element of it. It is not trying to infringe on any rules that govern healers and sangomas within our country. It's not trying to infringe on any privacy of amatwasa or ukobela, right? Everything we do it in good spirit and in tonipho. And everything we do is to also show love and support for amatwasa. Our show is not out there to disrespect ubungoma. It's definitely not. And if somebody had to come to me and critique me in a very respectful manner, I would take the notes and say, you know what, maybe I can advise and say, certain things really, and maybe we can change the formula to that, right? But that's when you give me constructive criticism, because I'm always open to be critiqued as a host, as umngoma. I'm always open to be critiqued, but critique me respectfully, and I will act accordingly and respectfully.
Yes.
Within the show, even within my gift. Because even those that are elder and they critique me, trust me, I listen, Gabani, why? I'm still a child, Patanani. And I still look up to Abu Baba Mkul. I still look up to them and I respect them.
Wow. You know what I'm taking from this? Asihloniphaneni. Asihloniphaneni. We are not perfect.
We are not. And like the thing, like I say, now when people attack me, I keep quiet. I'm not going to answer you. And also, it's a way of me saying, I'm not going to behave how you behaved towards me. I will not let you make me what you are or stoop down to your level. I'm not going to do that. But come to me correct. Nami, I will correct my wrongs.
Yeah, and I think it will also help you, because if you've got something to say about TWASA graduation, how things are done, and then you see a presenter as the wrong person there, because I don't understand why they have to blame you, because they are Kobelas that are older than you did say. But yeah, anyway, so if there is something that is wrong happening there, approach me in a manner ezokwenza ukuthi mina nawe sibone eye to eye.
I've had a-
Yes, ngeke sivumelane phela.
Yeah. No, I have had a lot of inboxes, and I thank those people who are brave enough to come into my inbox and say, hey, Thokozani Gogo, please explain what was the intention of the show. And people ask me, "Hore, what is the intention of the show? You know, that scene kind of broke my heart and I take note. And I am very cognizant. And that is feedback that I can give and say, certain parts make people feel like X, Y, and Z. Like, you understand? But when you come to me, rough, you're not going to get the best out of me. And trust me, Bangoma, I want the world to see the best out of this fraternity of ours. I want the world to see that ubungoma, uThwasa is not as dirty as how some people have turned it out to be in the past. Are lukiseng batho ba bagolo. Are lukiseng. And let us also hold ourselves accountable for the damage that we have done as abangoma within our fraternity. Let us not point fingers when it suits us.
Wow. Let us not point fingers, only it suits us. I think, wow. Anyway, Kwamanches and thoughts, we don't finish content unless you don't want to come back. I hope you did enjoy the episode with Umganwami Mrs. Week. And you all know Mrs. Week. Please do follow her on Instagram, TikTok.
I'm on TikTok mostly. I'm not Instagram. Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok.
Anyway, your word of wisdom before we close the show. Anything that you want to say now? We're done from TWASA graduation or what.
Yeah.
Now I just want to hear your word of wisdom. What is that you want to say to the manches that are watching us, that are following us, that are commenting, that are learning from us?
I think a lot of people place a lot of importance and dependence on people that have gone through initiations to be healers, forgetting that everybody on this earth was brought here. Everybody has a purpose. The camera guy, the sound guy have a purpose. You have a purpose, Patanani, even though you may not be a healer. We are all here to achieve a certain goal. We are all here to heal a certain part of ourselves or our lineage. Can we please, please, please tap into who we are? Can we please tap in and know who we are and find out what we are here for?
Wow.
And can we please always keep in mind that in whatever we do, make sure that you are getting closer to being your highest self. Make sure, God said that we are made in his image, right? And we are God inside of us. Find the God within you. Find the God within you. Find your center. Find your purpose. And always make sure that you are working towards becoming the highest version, the best version of yourself within this earth. You will be happy. You will not have to fight anybody for anything because you will be fulfilled.
Profound. As you all know that I am an author of this beautiful book called On My Own, I Have Found Sunshine. I want to say thank you so much to each and everyone who already purchased a copy of my book. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. The book is doing well. The testimonies I'm getting from you guys are amazing. And I'm back writing, doing a lot. It's 2025. We've got a lot in stores for you, darling. Mrs. Wick, my good friend, thank you so much for taking your time to be with me here. On that note, it's a wrap and goodbye, darling.